They start with nothing more than an old, ordinary trailer and completely transform it into a bold Cybertruck-style camper van that looks like it rolled straight out of Tesla's secret design lab. What begins as a basic metal frame slowly evolves into a futuristic machine on wheels. Make sure you watch until the very end, because when the final Cybertruck-style camper van is revealed, you might seriously start asking yourself, could I build something like this? The journey begins inside a quiet workshop where a simple trailer sits waiting for its transformation. Before anything futuristic can take shape, a strong and reliable base must be built. The craftsman carefully lays long wooden beams across the plywood platform, reinforcing the structure and ensuring it can handle the weight of the upcoming build. Each piece of lumber is measured, aligned, and secured with precision. Slowly, the wooden framework begins to form the skeleton of what will soon become a Cybertruck-inspired camper van. This foundational stage might seem simple, but it's one of the most critical parts of the entire project. Without strength and balance at the base, the bold geometric design above would never stand securely. And this is where the real transformation begins. With careful precision, he measures and marks every single meter, ensuring that each plank is perfectly aligned. One by one, the boards are secured into place, creating a solid platform strong enough to support not only the trailer itself, but also the walls that will soon rise above it. This moment may look simple, but it's actually where the backbone of the entire project is established. The strength, durability, and long-term stability of the finished camper van all begin right here, with this first carefully constructed foundation layer. As the structural base becomes stronger, the once bare skeleton mounted on top of the trailer slowly starts taking on the sharp, aggressive lines inspired by the Cybertruck design. What was once an open wooden frame now begins evolving into something futuristic and bold. Inside the structure, the craftsman works with focus and speed, using a nail gun to fasten large wooden panels securely to the body. Each panel tightens the structure, reducing flexibility and increasing overall rigidity. Meanwhile, the lattice-style wooden framework built across the roof starts forming the core support system for the future roof panels and integrated lighting. This overhead structure is more than just framing. It's the architectural spine that will define both the strength and interior atmosphere of the camper. And with every nail fired into place, the transformation becomes more real. As the sloped sidewalls begin to take shape, the aggressive Cybertruck-inspired design becomes more visible. The angled lines and sharp edges already hint at the bold, futuristic identity of the build. With every pull of the nail gun trigger, the structure tightens and closes in further. The open frame slowly transforms into defined walls, and the boundaries of the interior become clearer with each passing step. What was once just an ordinary trailer is now evolving into a sleek, futuristic camper van cabin. Panel by panel, the body becomes more solid. The vision is no longer just in the builder's mind, it's physically taking form. The transformation is steady, controlled, and incredibly satisfying to watch. Now comes one of the most exciting stages of the project. The craftsman shifts his focus to the custom-built modules that will truly define the character of this Cybertruck-style camper van. On the workbench sits a sharply designed, box-shaped structure finished in a matte dark tone, reflecting the bold Tesla-inspired aesthetic. With drill in hand, he carefully installs sliding rails onto the module, aligning each screw with millimeter-level precision. These rails will allow functional movement inside the compact space, combining practicality with futuristic design. At this point, the build isn't just about structure anymore. It's about personality. This custom-built module is designed to function as a smart storage system or even a compact camping kitchen. With a smooth sliding mechanism, it can be pulled outward from the side panel of the camper van in one effortless motion, instantly ready for use. What starts as a simple box-like frame gradually transforms into a fully functional Cybertruck-inspired utility module. With every screw tightened and every rail aligned, the piece becomes both practical and visually striking, maintaining the aggressive triangular geometry of the exterior while maximizing interior storage and convenience. The design perfectly balances aesthetics and function. From the outside, it preserves the sharp, armored look inspired by the Cybertruck. On the inside, it delivers usability, efficiency, and comfort for real-world camping. Now, stepping into the interior feels like entering an entirely different world. This trailer-turned Cybertruck camper van has transformed into something that resembles a futuristic spacecraft. White and purple LED light strips weave between the angular ceiling panels, casting a soft glow that enhances the bold geometric design. The sharply defined walls and structured layout create an atmosphere somewhere between a high-end gaming lounge and a luxury cockpit. As the craftsman completes the final adjustments to a hidden ceiling hatch, the true functionality of the space becomes clear. Built-in power outlets, cleverly integrated shelves, and concealed storage compartments in the rear prove that this camper is more than just stylish, it's fully livable. It's comfortable, organized, and engineered for modern adventure. The moment you step inside, it's almost impossible to believe that this futuristic camper van started out as nothing more than a simple trailer. And now, the grand finale. The old, forgotten trailer that once stood bare in the middle of the workshop has completely vanished. In its place stands a sharp, futuristic Cybertruck-style mini camper that looks as if it just rolled straight off a high-tech production line. The transformation is nothing short of remarkable. Standing on a ladder, the craftsman tightens the final screws, carefully locking the metal panel joints into place. With each connection secured, the body becomes more armored, reinforcing its bold, sharp-edged design. The angular silhouette now looks solid, aggressive, and purpose-built, exactly like a machine designed for the future. The front hatch opens smoothly, revealing the precision engineering behind it. A large side service compartment adds both practicality and visual strength to the exterior. Meanwhile, the sleek black roof panels complete the look, giving this compact camper a powerful, ultra-modern presence. It's hard to believe that this is the same trailer we saw stripped down at the beginning. What was once a simple frame has evolved into a compact, futuristic Cybertruck-inspired camper ready for adventure. Now, there's only one thing left to do. Hook it up to a vehicle, roll it out of the workshop, and take this handcrafted beast on its very first test drive. And just like that, the transformation is complete.